Astreea requires no maintenance or access to an electrical outlet. You just unbox it, add hand sanitizer, and it's ready to use. No installation is necessary unless you want it bolted to the floor for outdoor use. You can use Astreea for any type of liquid or gel. The provided empty recipients can be filled with the hand sanitizer of your choosing. You can even use your own bottle type through the adjustable height control feature. Replacing the sanitizer? It's super easy. Check the level of liquid in the recipient in the meter slot, and by using anti-theft screws, replace the bottle or add sanitizer in the existing bottle, all under 1 minute. The Astreea Pedal Hand Sanitizer is designed for intense heavy-duty use. A piece of urban design dedicated to protecting your kids, your employees, your customers, your passengers, your people. What do you get in the package? Everything you need. Astreea, proudly made in the European Union by ARSAD.